Wealth is not just about working harder. It starts with the right mindset. The way you think about money, success, and opportunity shapes your financial future. If you have limiting beliefs about wealth, you will struggle to attract it. The most successful people understand that money follows those who think differently. By changing your mindset, you can open yourself up to unlimited financial possibilities. In this video, you will learn 10 powerful mindset shifts that can help you attract wealth. Stay until the end to discover how to reprogram your thinking for financial success. And do not forget to like and subscribe for more strategies on building wealth and financial freedom. 1. Believe that money is abundant. Many people struggle financially because they see money as scarce. They believe wealth is only for the lucky or the privileged, which keeps them stuck in a cycle of lack. The truth is, money is abundant, and there is more than enough for everyone. The wealthy think in terms of opportunity, not limitation. Instead of focusing on what you lack, start seeing the endless ways to earn, invest, and grow your wealth. When you shift from scarcity to abundance, you will naturally attract more financial opportunities. Wealth starts with believing that money is everywhere, and you deserve your share of it. 2. Stop trading time for money. If you only make money when you work, you will always be limited by time. The wealthy understand that true financial freedom comes from passive income. Instead of relying only on a paycheck, start building income streams that work for you. This could be through investments, businesses, or digital products that generate money while you sleep. The key is to leverage systems, automation, and assets that bring in cash without your constant effort. When you stop trading time for money, you unlock the ability to build unlimited wealth. Focus on creating income that works for you, not just working for income. 3. See problems as opportunities. Most people avoid problems because they see them as obstacles. The wealthy, however, look at problems as opportunities to create solutions and build wealth. Every successful business exists because it solves a problem. Instead of fearing challenges, start asking yourself how you can turn them into profitable solutions. The bigger the problem you solve, the more money you can make. Shifting your mindset from avoidance to problem solving is one of the fastest ways to attract wealth. The world rewards those who can provide value, and solving problems is the best way to do that. 4. Get comfortable with risk. Wealth does not come from playing it safe. The richest people take calculated risks, knowing that every opportunity comes with uncertainty. They understand that fear holds most people back from financial success. Instead of avoiding risk, learn to evaluate and manage it wisely. This means educating yourself, making informed decisions, and taking action even when it feels uncomfortable. Playing it too safe keeps you stuck in mediocrity, while smart risks open the doors to wealth. If you want to build financial success, start embracing uncertainty and seeing risk as a necessary part of growth. 5. Surround yourself with wealth-minded people. The people you spend time with have a huge impact on your financial mindset. If you surround yourself with those who think small, complain about money, and fear success, you will adopt the same mindset. Wealthy people intentionally connect with others who inspire them, challenge them, and push them toward success. Start networking with individuals who have a strong financial mindset and learn from their habits. Read books, listen to podcasts, and follow successful entrepreneurs to reprogram your thinking. The more you surround yourself with wealth-minded individuals, the faster your own mindset will shift. 6. Invest in yourself first. One of the biggest mindset shifts you can make is to see yourself as your greatest asset. The wealthy prioritize self-education, skill building, and personal growth over unnecessary spending. Every dollar you invest in your knowledge and abilities has the potential to multiply your income. Whether it is learning high-income skills, taking courses, or improving your financial literacy, investing in yourself pays the highest returns. When you focus on growing your mind, opportunities for wealth will start coming to you effortlessly. Commit to lifelong learning, and you will always have the ability to create wealth. 7. Learn to manage money wisely. Many people believe that making more money will solve their problems. But without financial discipline, even high earners can stay broke. Wealthy individuals understand that keeping and growing money is just as important as making it. They create budgets, track expenses, and invest wisely to multiply their wealth. Instead of spending every dollar you make, start practicing smart money management. Save, invest, and build assets that generate long-term income. Shifting from a consumer mindset to a wealth-building mindset is key to lasting financial success. The more control you have over your money, the faster you can grow your wealth. 8. Develop a long-term wealth vision. Most people think about money in the short term: paychecks, monthly bills, and immediate expenses. The wealthy, however, operate with a long-term vision. They think in terms of decades, not days, and make financial decisions that will benefit them years down the line. This means focusing on investments, passive income, and financial freedom rather than short-term pleasures. If you want to attract wealth, start setting big financial goals and creating a long-term plan. Shifting your mindset from short-term survival to long-term success will help you build lasting wealth. 9. Take full responsibility for your financial future. Many people blame their financial situation on external factors: the economy, their job, or their background. The wealthy, however, take full responsibility for their financial destiny. They do not wait for opportunities, they create them. They do not rely on luck, they rely on action and strategy. If you want to build wealth, stop making excuses and start taking control. Learn how to make money work for you, seek opportunities, and commit to financial growth. When you take full ownership of your financial future, you empower yourself to create the wealth you desire. 10. Stay persistent and never give up. Building wealth is a journey, not a quick fix. Most people give up when they face setbacks, but the wealthy see failures as learning experiences. Every successful entrepreneur, investor, and millionaire has faced challenges, but they kept going despite obstacles. If you want to attract wealth, develop the mindset of persistence and resilience. Keep learning, keep taking action, and keep pushing forward no matter what stands in your way. Wealth does not come overnight, but with consistency, discipline, and the right strategies, financial success is inevitable. Treat every failure as a lesson that brings you closer to your goals. The only way to fail is to quit, so keep going, stay focused, and never let temporary setbacks define your future. The more you commit to the process, the sooner you will see the financial results you desire. Wealth begins in the mind before it appears in your bank account. By shifting your mindset, you can open the doors to unlimited financial success. Start applying these mindset shifts in your daily life, and you will begin attracting wealth in ways you never imagined. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more powerful strategies on financial growth. Keep taking action, and soon you will be on your way to financial freedom.